Hello everyone, this video is explaining how to set up your paper for the dream bedroom project. So the first direction is to make your horizon line 5 inches down. Remember, my paper is 12 by 18. So that's how I'm going to hold it. I'm going to start by making a dot at 5 inches towards the left side of my paper, making one towards the middle, and then making one all the way on the right. I have a collection of rulers, but I'm pretending that I only have this old 12-inch one, so that hopefully that's what you guys have at home. So you can see how I'm going to make some adjustments with a 12-inch ruler. I'm going to hold my ruler on my 2 points, go till I can't go anymore, slide it down, find this point again and add the third, and continue making my horizon line. My vanishing point is 9 inches, so he's right there. I'm going to erase that a little bit so we don't get confused. Okay, next I need to create my back wall. The back wall is going to be 8 inches wide and 7 inches high. 4 of those 7 inches will be above the horizon line and 3 below it. So gives me a couple things there. So I need 8 inches this way. I'm going to hold my ruler at 4 and find 8 there. I also am going to do the same at the top of the paper. So my vanishing point's at 9. I'm going to put 4 at that dot, go at 0, and at 8. Okay, to get 7 inches up on the height, I'm going to have 4 above. That's going to give me an extra inch, right? Because my horizon line is 5 inches down. So first, I'm going to line up my ruler here. I'm going to start at that 1 inch down. 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing here. Line up these dots that I made at 8 inches. Start 1 inch down, and I need 7 inches. So I started at 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 brings me to the horizon line. 5, 6, 7. Connect these. Connect this one up here. That gives me my back wall. 8 inches wide, 7 inches tall, 4 of those inches being above the horizon line and 3 below. Next direction is to make the wall and ceiling and floor lines. To do that, I have to use my point. I'm going to go from my point through all 4 corners of this back wall. So from my point, and then line up with this corner. That's one ceiling line. From the point, line up at that corner. Now there's my ceiling. Down here, from the point, line up at this corner. Need a little bit more there. And from the point, line up down at this corner. There's my floor lines. Okay, Everything from this point on is up to you. I'll give you a couple examples. First, let's make a window. This is very similar to perspective activity number 4 in how we made our window. First, I'm going to go ahead and start lightening my horizon line. As we are inside, I don't necessarily need to see it. It's still there. I need to know it's there for everything that I'm drawing, because things that happen above my horizon line will look different than those that happen below it. But I don't necessarily want it within everything that I'm doing. First, I'm going to make a window. Remember, we're just kind of eyeballing what we think is straight. We do have some things to use to help us, right? We have our other lines that we know are straight. We have the side of our paper that we always know is straight. Okay, there's a small window. Doesn't need to be big, could be much bigger. Let's see, I'm going to make a door over on this side. Okay, again, most things are horizontal or vertical lines, or they go to the point. There's a door. We want to make an open door. Now it appears that the door is open, and this is the ceiling in another room. We should do this one down here too. That helped. Sometimes you have to go with your gut. If something doesn't look right, keep looking at it, add some more lines, and see if that helps. Now my door is open. I would suggest getting as many details as you can. I'm going to go ahead and put a door frame on the door, because that'll help with my details. Now it looks a little fancier. Let's do the same over here on the window. Okay, remember these lines go to the point. Last one. Let's go ahead and give this a little depth as well. My ruler is fighting me. Here we go. Okay, now my window appears to kind of go in. I now could make a plant pot, some vines coming down, and already I'm adding some details. All right, remember, you need to have things like a bed, a chair, a dresser, something on your walls, something on your ceiling, something on your floor. All right, let's start here for now.